Hi everyone, today we're going to continue with the bus stop chunking method, but some of our calculations today may have remainders, and that simply means that the number doesn't divide into equal groups and there are some left over, and that is the remainder. Okay, so let's get started. Our first calculation is 86 divided by 4. So I need to write a number 4 to show the time dividing by 4. And once again, we're going to take away in chunks of 4. So my first chunk can be 10 times 4, which is 40. And then I need to do a subtraction. 6 ones take away 0 is 6. And 8 tens take away 4 tens equals 4. So the answer is 46. And once again, I can see that I can take another chunk of 10 fours. Remembering to write it as 10 times 4 so that all my groups of 4 line up and not 4 times 10. So 10 times 4 is 40. 6 ones take away 0 is 6. And 4 tens take away 4 tens equals 0. So I'm left with the number 6. And straight away I can spot that 6 actually isn't in my 4 times tables. So I know that I am going to have a remainder. But I need to take away as many chunks of 4 as I can first. And I can take away one group of 4, which is 4. And 6 ones take away 4 ones, leaves me with 2. And I can't take away any more groups of 4, so this is my remainder. Just remember that your remainder can never be bigger than the number you are dividing by. So let's count up. 21, and then you have remainder 2. So 86 divided by 4 is 21 remainder 2. Okay, on to the next calculation, which is a little bit trickier, but you can definitely do this if you follow the steps carefully. So I'm looking at 113 divided by 8. So I'm going to use my 8 times tables to see how many groups of 8 are in 113. So the first chunk that I can take away is 10 times 8. Remember, don't forget to do the number 8 to show you're dividing by 8. So when I'm writing 80, remember 80 is a 2-digit number, so it doesn't start in my hundreds columns, it starts in my tens. 80. So I will start with 3, take away 0 is 3. 110, take away 8 tens, I can't do because the number on top is smaller. So just like column addition, I can do an exchange. So I'm going to go to my hundreds and exchange that 100 into 10 tens. And now I can do 11 tens, take away 8 tens, which leaves me with 3. And I'm left with the answer 33. So now I can't take away another group of 10 eights because 33 is smaller. So I need to count up in my multiples of 8 to see how close to the number 33 I can get. So I've got 0, 8, 16, 24, 32. So I have 4 groups of 8. So I can write 4 times 8 is 32 because that was the closest number to 33. I couldn't go bigger than 32, but I can go smaller. So 4 times 8 is 32. 3 ones take away 2 ones leaves me with 1. And 3 tens take away 3 tens leaves me with a 0. And I can't take away any more groups of 8. So that becomes my remainder. So I have 10 and 4, which is 14, remainder 1. So 113 divided by 8 is 14, remainder 1.